Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Sodastream Refills is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone who loves sparkling water, transforming tap water into a fizzy delight right at home, offering convenience and a significant reduction in single-use plastic bottles, making it a sustainable and cost-effective choice for daily hydration and creative beverage crafting, ensuring you never run out of that satisfying bubbly sensation. Number 5. Sodastream CO2 Refill Pack, Blue System. Introducing the Sodastream CO2 Refill Pack, featuring 2 blue screw-in cylinders. This pack ensures you always have fresh carbonation on hand for your sparkling beverages. These blue cylinders are designed for machines with a threaded or screw-in connector. They work seamlessly with various popular sparkling water makers, including many Sodastream models and other leading brands. Each cylinder undergoes strict quality control, filled with premium food-grade CO2. This guarantees optimal taste, safety, and consistent beverage quality every time you use them. Lower your carbonation costs and get rewarded. Simply send back your 2 empty CO2 cylinders to receive a $15 Amazon.com gift card. Returning them is easy. Use the original shipping box, which includes a prepaid USPS return label. Just peel and send, then notify us online for your gift card. Have empty 60-liter CO2 cylinders from other brands? No problem. We gladly accept them for exchange, making it convenient for everyone. What we like? This refill pack is perfect for users with blue screw-in Sodastream machines or other compatible brands. It offers a unique incentive to lower your CO2 costs. If you're looking for a convenient way to get refills and earn rewards, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 4. SodaSense Easy Connect CO2 Cylinders. These cartridges are designed for effortless integration with your Sodastream machine. They are specifically compatible with all Snap-on models, including ART, Terra, Duo, ENSO, and GAA. You can trust the quality of these CO2 cylinders, as they are proudly made in America. They are produced using 100% renewable resources, ensuring a responsible choice for your home. Refilling your CO2 tanks has never been simpler with their best-in-class exchange program. They've eliminated hidden fees and complexities, so you'll always have bubbles without the hassle. Easily restock your kitchen with these ultra-purified tanks and avoid heavy grocery hauls. Each canister replaces over 170 plastic bottles, helping you save time, money, and achieve your health goals. Every order includes an exchange box with a QR code for a prepaid return label, making recycling easy. Their customer care team is always ready to assist, ensuring a great experience for everyone. What we like? These cylinders are designed for Quick Connect pink Snap-on Sodastream machines. They are responsibly sourced and made in America. If you prioritize an effortless exchange process and support domestic production, these are ideal for you. What people say. Number 3. SodaSense Easy Connect 60L CO2 Cylinders 2-pack. These Easy Connect CO2 cartridges are designed to work perfectly with all Sodastream Snap-on machines. This includes popular models like ART, Terra, Duo, ENSO, and GAIA, ensuring a hassle-free fit for your sparkling water maker. You can feel good about your choice. These CO2 cylinders are proudly made in America, utilizing 100% renewable resources. It's a sustainable option for your home carbonation needs. Refilling your CO2 tanks has never been simpler. Their exchange program eliminates hidden fees and complex timelines, ensuring you always have bubbles without the hassle. Plus, check your package for a mystery gift. Restock your kitchen with ultra-purified, crisp CO2 tanks and avoid heavy grocery trips. Each refill canister replaces over 170 plastic bottles or cans. This helps you crush your health goals while saving both time and money. Every order comes with an exchange box and a scannable QR code for a prepaid return label, making recycling easy. Their customer care team is always ready to assist with any questions or concerns. They ensure everyone has a great experience. What we like? These refills are compatible with pink Quick Connect machines, ensuring a perfect fit. They also contribute to reducing plastic waste, replacing many bottles. If you're environmentally conscious and want to stay hydrated easily without heavy grocery hauls, this option is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points can be extracted or quoted. Number 2. Upgraded CO2 Quick Adapter for Sodastream Duo Terra Art. Do you want more flexibility with your soda maker? This adapter is designed to enhance your experience, allowing you to connect various CO2 cylinders. It's specifically engineered for all 60L CO2 cylinders with TR21-4 male valves, fitting seamlessly with Duo, Terra, and Art soda makers. This allows you to use your preferred CO2 source. Beyond cylinders, it also lets you connect an old soda hose with a TR21-4 male thread to your new soda water maker. This provides even greater versatility for your setup. Crafted from high-quality aluminum with a polished surface, it ensures excellent sealing and durability. This robust design guarantees a reliable and long-lasting connection. Installation is incredibly straightforward, requiring just a few simple steps. For 60L cylinders, you might need to remove your machine's base for a perfect fit. With this adapter, you decide which CO2 cylinders to use with your soda maker. Plus, you'll have access to 1 year of follow-up assistance for peace of mind. What we like? This adapter is a game-changer for those with newer Sodastream machines like Duo, Terra, or Art. It allows you to use universal CO2 cylinders, offering more flexibility. If you want to expand your CO2 cylinder options beyond the Quick Connect system, this accessory is a must-have. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 1. Home Use Soda CO2 Refill Adapter Kit. This adapter comes with multiple gaskets, ensuring a perfect seal every time. It allows you to easily transfer CO2 from a large cylinder to your smaller soda bottles without any leaks. Crafted from high-quality brass, it guarantees exceptional durability and a long product lifespan. This robust design withstands constant use, providing reliable performance. Operating it is incredibly simple. Just screw your empty CO2 cylinder into the adapter. Its heavy-duty design ensures it won't wear down or fall apart, offering rust-free and reliable operation. It's compatible with large CO2 tanks featuring a CGA 320 connector, perfect for kegerators and homebrew setups. Please note, a pin might be needed if your donor tank has a residual pressure valve. We stand by its quality with a money-back or replacement guarantee. If you encounter refilling issues, try inverting your CO2 tank, as some lack an internal dip tube. What we like? This refill adapter kit is designed for the ultimate DIY soda maker. It enables you to refill smaller soda cylinders from larger bulk CO2 tanks. If you have access to large CGA 320 CO2 tanks and want to save money by refilling your own, this kit is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.